You must be wondering what goes into the magical hair nectar of Triaanyas. So let's understand how it goes. Desi methi dana is being grounded using a silbatta. So all these herbs that you see, all these herbs go into the making of Triaanyas all natural magical hair nectar. So we have chamomile, we have kalonji, we have methi dana, all desi versions. So we don't use. So all these all natural, all wild sourced herbs, they go into the making of Triaanyas all natural hair nectar. So we have chamomile, we have kalonji, we have methi dana, bhringraj, nettle, kari patta, then we have banyan root, we have lavender, triphala, amla, mulethi, hibiscus, brahmi, jatamanshi. So you see all these herbs and they are grounded like this, like we just grounded methi dana. Similarly, all these herbs are grounded. So this curry leaves would be grounded and all these would be grounded using a silbatta. And then we are going to mix it and we are going to put it in the oil. We'll just show you that. So I can literally smell the aroma of these curry leaves. All these are wild sourced. These are not the cultivated ones. Just see how beautifully it is getting blended. And all these would be blended in the oil. So people talk about collagen. This is the best natural source of collagen. As in the collagen which we buy from the market, the synthetic one, that is not even absorbed by our body. But we use all natural Ayurvedic source of collagen given by Mother Nature. And this works wonders on the human body. So this not only we recommend in the herbal formulations that we prepare for internal consumption, we also use them in our skin care, in our hair care. So this is Gotukola, Brahmi. वट वृक्ष, हर किसी ने सुना होगा वट वृक्ष की पूजा की जाती है, माँ पार्वती की पूजा की जाती है वट वृक्ष की पूजा करके, और ये वट वृक्ष के ही जड़ हैं. So these are banyan root, secondary roots of banyan tree, and this is supposed to be an excellent source of amino acids which are required by the body, and this is very good for hair fall issues. And this is what goes into your hair nectar, hair fall control oil from Triaanyas. And this, what you see, this is the richest source of amino acids, richest source of calcium, nettle. And in Pahadi Bhasha, we call it Kandali, we call it Bichu Ghas. And people who go for trekking, they also must have seen it. This is excellent for the human body, very good for Vata dosha. And Vata dosha is what causes hair fall, and that is exactly the reason why we use it in our hair fall control oil, in our hair nectar. The black seeds, that is kalonji, again excellent for hair, excellent source of antioxidants, very good for weight loss, and it goes into your hair oil as well. This actually is very good for melanin. So it's like when the hair root loses melanin, that is the time when we get graying issue. So this helps impart melanin, natural melanin to your roots, hair roots, and that is why it helps in issues with respect to gray hair and all. Now this, what you see, are lavender, as in lavender flowers. So the buds of lavender, they are being crushed and they are being grounded. We are grinding it, and all manual preparation, and this again would go to your hair oil. Lavender helps in hair fall control issues. Jatamanshi, excellent for your brain. This is a brain tonic. In Ayurveda, we call Jatamanshi brain tonic. And somebody who is facing depression issue, anxiety problem, for them Jatamanshi is very, very good. And because it is good for the brain, it is good for the hair as well, because hair is next to your brain, isn't it? So this is how we ground it. After grinding, we are going to mix it. अब ये हैं गुड़हल के फूल जो ग्राइंड हो रहे हैं, और गुड़हल के फूल बालों के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं. गुड़हल के फूल हर किसी को पता है. हिबिस्कस फ्लावर्स, दे आर एक्सीलेंट फॉर योर हेयर फॉल इश्यूज, even for graying issue. Hibiscus is very, very good. A very strong reason for hair fall is cortisol level going up. So when cortisol level goes up, that is the time when our metabolism slows down, and that is the time when the body gets into a stress mode. And when in stress mode, the body would like to get rid of all these extra things. So hair is extra for the body, because it is not a vital thing to operate the body, isn't it? So the body starts shedding the hair, and that is the reason why chamomile helps in basically controlling the hair fall, because it is helping in controlling the cortisol level. So not only for internal consumption, even from an application perspective, we strongly recommend to use chamomile in the hair oil, because it would be balancing the cortisol level. Now mulethi, which is licorice, that is excellent for hair fall issue. Why? Because it balances the kapha and the pitta dosha in the body. And it is primarily the pitta dosha and kapha dosha going haywire, because of which we get bacterial attack, fungal attack like dandruff issues and psoriasis and all these issues in the scalp. So basically scalp related issues. For scalp related issues, for dry scalp issues, mulethi is excellent, and this is exactly the reason why we use mulethi in our hair fall control oil. हर किसी को पता है आंवला बालों के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है, लेकिन क्या आपको पता है कि आंवला को जब हम बॉईल कर देते हैं तो उसकी सारी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू निकल जाती है. एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली द रीजन व्हाई एट Triaanyas we use sun-dried version of amla. We do not boil it, because then most of the nutrients would be off, and that's how, as in we don't source it from market. We buy raw amla, we dry it, and then we sun dry it, and then we crush it like this, we grind it like this. And this also goes to our hair fall control oil, to our hair nectar, because amla is very good for melanin, lack of melanin issues. It is very good for the scalp health, and it is a very rich source of antioxidants again. Triphala, which is the best rasayan in Ayurveda, is not only good for your intestinal health and the entire GI tract health, it is very good for your hair and skin as well. And this is the reason why we use Triphala in our hair fall control oil, in our hair nectar, because Triphala helps in balancing all the three doshas. So this is what will go to your hair fall oil, hair fall control oil. Bhringraj, which is very rich source of iron, very good for liver health, and very rich source of antioxidants, is something which is very good for your hair as well. It is good for issues wherein we face graying of hair issue, when we have a very bad hair fall issue. For all these cases, Bhringraj is very, very helpful. the cold pressed oil from Triaanyas that would be infused with the goodness of all these herbs. So, and this would be kept in sunlight for a month, then in moonlight for a few days, and again it would be kept in a cool and dry condition for another 2 months, and in 3 months this would be ready to be packed. So the oil which was infused with all the goodness of the herbs, that has been taken out and kept in this copper utensil for about 20 days, and now this would be bottled. So if you look at the color, I would show you the color of the oil. Just see this green shade which you see, no? This is from copper.
For any query, reach us at ourhealthmantra@gmail.com. Visit us at www.ourhealthmantra.com for health and product updates.